Forever in my Mother Nature error. Never want to lose the feeling of getting lost, walking in the grass, and looking up in the sky. Life is truly a blessing. Complicated, messy, but absolutely a blessing. So take time to walk in the grass and look up at the sky and have gratitude for the life you do have, and be open to all the possibilities and opportunities that are still awaiting for you. Optimism is a skill that needs to be strengthened every day. Optimism is therapy. Optimism is medicine. Have a great, blessed day.